Seafood is sourced through a complex global supply chain, often involving hazardous work and limited transparency. As demand for responsible sourcing grows, stricter regulations are emerging to protect human rights. The seafood industry needs comprehensive, practical solutions. That's why FishWise created the Roadmap for Improving Seafood Ethics, or RISE, a free, online platform that guides seafood companies as they implement human rights due diligence. The new RISE Roadmap provides simple, step-by-step guidance to build or improve your social responsibility program. It helps companies detect, prevent, mitigate, and remediate human rights risks in their supply chains. The new RISE platform offers an improved user experience informed by the industry. Here's how to get the most out of RISE. Start with the self-assessment. It can pinpoint key considerations based on your company's initiatives and readiness. Review the guidance and feedback tailored for your company. Then, explore stakeholder-specific guidance. Here, you'll find tailored recommendations for your role in the supply chain, whether you're a retailer, supplier, processor, or producer, so you can take action where it matters most. Next, visit the RISE eLearns to deepen your understanding of human rights due diligence and build a strong foundation for effective RISE Roadmap implementation. Now you are ready to dive into the RISE Roadmap to build a comprehensive human rights due diligence program. The roadmap is organized into 6 steps: embed, collect and assess, engage, take action, communicate, and iterate. Each step includes clear actions with guidance, resources and tips, and examples to support your efforts. Check out our regularly updated special topics for expert insights and themes relevant to your supply chain, such as risk geographies, gender in seafood, and decent work at sea. The RISE community page connects you with partners who work in those regions that can act as your guide. If you know an organization that should be included, simply submit it through the Join the Community form. Use the resource library to access reports, supplemental guides, and case studies that support your learning and the roadmap implementation. As a member of the Consortium on Social Risks in Seafood, with LRQA and Conservation International, FishWise is proud to host the Social Responsibility Assessment Tool, or the SRA, on RISE. The SRA is an open-access human and labor rights risk assessment used by major seafood companies and is the social responsibility reporting framework for fishery improvement projects. You can access the SRA and its supporting materials from the sub-navigation bar. That was a lot, but don't worry, you can always go to the Where to Start page to help you navigate the RISE platform and begin your human rights due diligence journey across your seafood supply chains. And remember, FishWise is here to help. Contact us at rise@fishwise.org.